Welcome to another video from Oggy Super Fitness, and today we are going to do a short workout in a hotel room. So being in a hotel room, you don't want to annoy the other guests, so it's going to be low impact, but it's better than nothing. Now, I did bring my Fit Beast resistance bands with me, but this workout routine is if you've got no kit at all, just to prove you can still have a good workout in a hotel room without annoying the guests. Now, we're on the 5th floor, and so yeah, there's people below us. Anyway, let's go. So we're going to start off by just a quick low impact, bit of a warm up, holding the core in nice and tight, bringing your legs up, making no noise, apart from me speaking. Good, that's it. Little space, and I can already feel my heart rising, which is good, which is what we want. Okay, and just flicking the heels. Notice this is actually good for getting the fluid into the knees. And you can go side to side as well, flicking the feet up and steady there, and just mobilizing the hips. And we've got a chair here conveniently, swinging the leg, working the hip. Notice the space is not brilliant, so be careful not to hurt yourself. I'm just going to turn around and do the other side. Good, and we're going to bring the arms in. And I'm going to stand there and just look and punch to the front. Punch it to the front. Okay. Just punch as fast as you can. Just punch as fast as you can. Wow. So if you're in the UK, you'll recognise the decor premiering in Swansea. And punching up. All planes of motion. Go as fast as you can. That's it. That's it. Good. And you can bring your arms in and out as well. Plenty of stuff you can do in a small space. I've barely moved. And big circles. Oh yes. Good. Okay, so we're nice and warmed up now. Actually, let's just do a bit of the hips. High energy, low impact, short duration. Good. So there you go. We've done a bit of a warm up, so now we're going to do some body weight exercises. So I'm going to do some press ups, right? Notice the room. I've got a gap down here. I'm just going to lay out and do some press ups or push ups here. Okay. So do it, of course, on your knees. I'm going to come up and go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and have a bit of a rest. Okay. Whew. Doing that, high energy, low impact, short duration. So we just need. So I'm having a shorter rest in between. So I'm going to do 10 reps again. If you can't do 10 reps, then just do as many as you can do. Okay, let's go. There you go. Great for the chest. Great for the chest, that is, and also the shoulders and also the triceps as well. So, short gap, and let's go for our final set of press-ups. Okay, good. So, conveniently, we've got this sofa bed, extra bed in our room. Otherwise, just the two of us. Okay, so we're now going to do some Bulgarian split squats. I'm going to put one foot on the bed here and just go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, if you haven't got one of these, a chair is perfectly fine. So I'll go there. You can see me. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Feel that on the legs. That is a great exercise. That is really, really tough. Okay, so another set of those with the other leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. The smallest space I've ever done a workout in has been on a submarine. So it can be done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, feel that in the legs, shake them off, shake everything off. Oh, I'm enjoying this. Ready to start the day. Let's do another set of those, shall we? Good. Right, and if you need to, there's nothing wrong with holding on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back nice and straight. 8, 9, 10. And other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Good. And of course, as usual, stop whenever you need to. Okay, so we've done chest, we've done our legs and our glutes and everything like that. So we're going to do a bit of a back exercise. Now, working the back when you're haven't got any kit can be a bit difficult. So you need to grab hold of something. It could be the door frame, going into the bathroom, or it can be grabbing over this. I'm just going to do single arm. So I'm like this and notice the position of my feet, and I'm literally going to. So it's a kind of row. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And grab a note like that. 1. Feel it in my back. 2, 3, 4. Also working the biceps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Utilize anything, all the furniture that's in a hotel room. You can still have a great workout. Let's go to the other side again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And grabbing the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Any pulling action is going to work the back. Okay. Final set of those. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa. There you go, see? You can do a good workout. I'm going to do one final exercises, right? Working the glutes again and working the legs. Okay, we're going to just do lunges, right? No jumping, no annoying the other guests. Okay, so small room, right? It's called the sagittal plane. And let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Couple more sets of those and then we're done. Whew. Getting a bit of a sweat on here. Right, let's go again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, final set of those. Okay. And let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, shake those legs off, shake the arms off. Oh, just do a bit of a stretch. Ready for the day. The day's outing. Oh. Ooh, feel that. Oh. And stretch up. Oh. And you can even get down on the floor doing the plank. All low impact, but very effective. Okay, so a short hotel room workout. You do not need a lot of space. All right, 10 minutes or so, that's all it takes. Okay, got plenty of other workouts around here that you can do, plenty of other advice as well. Okay, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Do you do workouts when you're away in a hotel room with a lack of space? Until the next time, I will see you again soon.